Now we made a base chain of 8 stitches. Let's work on it and make it wider. I'm holding the 8th chain with my needle here, and to move back I will not use this first chain on my way, but I'll use the second one ahead of me. So I'm now turning back and putting my yarn inside the second V like that. But let me hold my work first. Leave the first V untouched over here, so it is the turning chain, and I'll go inside the second V with my crochet hook, go under my yarn, yarn over, and pull it through the chain. So now I have 2 loops on my hook. Now I'll yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. As you can see, this is going to be the turnaround of my work, and I will start building on the layer on top of it. Let's continue making it. So I will always go inside the next chain, which is right here, because I've already used this chain. So I'll go right here, pull my yarn, I have 2 loops on my hook, and I'll pull my yarn to pull through the 2. Let's repeat that single crochet in the next. So this is my next V, pull my yarn, pull through the 2. Here is my next V, go in, pull my yarn, and pull through the 2. Here is the other V, go in, pull through the 2. Go in, pull, and pull through the 2. This motion is the single crochet that I am building over my base chain. So again, showing the last single crochet, I'm going inside the chain, pulling my loop. I have 2 loops on my hook. If you have 2 loops on your hook, this is halfway of your single crochet. So you wrap your yarn again and you pull through the 2. Now let's see what happened. Earlier we had 8 chains on the base. We didn't use the 1, so we used it to have the length of this chain. And then finally we turned back and we moved all the way with 7 single crochets. So now let's count those 7 single crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have a wider work with 1 less stitch because we used it to elongate here. Now when turning around again, this time we don't want to use any more single crochet from the round, but we want to make an extra chain to gain that length. So when I'm turning around, I'm going to make chain 1, turn my work. I will not use this chain 1 similar to before, so I'll now work into the next single crochet. But a single crochet has 3 pieces. A chain, it's thicker than the chain, so I will be going right underneath the full V ahead of me. I will go with my hook. I will leave the first chain untouched. With my hook, I'll go underneath the chain, the single crochet, go under the yarn, pull my yarn, and I'll pull through the 2. Again, go under the single crochet, pull my yarn, pull through the 2. Under the single crochet, there is always a very nice space that you will use. Here it is, and here it is. So if you just target the point under the V, your hook will find its way to the other direction. And you should go under the yarn, turn your hook, so you yarn over and pull, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Again, this is halfway of your single crochet. You need to yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops. Let me finish the round showing the others. Go under the V, pull your yarn, wrap your yarn and pull through the 2. Go right under the V, go under the yarn and you wrap your yarn, so pull, and you again wrap and pull through the 2. Let's do it one more time. Pull through the 2, and the last stitch over here, you go under there, under the full V, 2 arms of the V, you pull it out and you pull through the 2. So you see, we already made the base chain, the first round on it and the second round on it. So we have 2 lines built on top of our base chain.